Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO, your go-to channel for mastering the art of PPC. If you're finding value here, don't forget to subscribe. We release new, insightful videos daily. Step 1. Understand your audience. Tailor your campaign to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors on Facebook. Step 2. Set clear goals. Do you want more website visits, leads, or sales? Your goals shape your campaign strategy. Step 3. Craft an irresistible ad. Use compelling visuals and engaging copy to stand out in the Facebook feed. Step 4. Allocate your budget wisely. Start small, measure, and then scale. Step 5. Optimize continuously. Use Facebook's insights to refine your approach. Got questions? Leave a comment below. And if you got value from this video, please give us a like. Remember, mastering Facebook PPC is a journey, and we're here to guide you at every step. Stay ahead in your digital marketing game with Pearl Lemon SEO.